Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to transfer eSIM from an old iPhone to the iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. And if you're having the problem of eSIM transfer not supported on your eSIM, I will also give you a solution that will fix that problem for you. Now first things first, you have to make sure that Bluetooth is actually turned on both iPhones. So go ahead and make sure that Bluetooth is turned on both your old iPhone and on your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. You also want to make sure that your old iPhone is currently running on iOS 16 or later. So if you come over to the about option on my old iPhone, you can see that I am running on iOS 18. Once you're sure, you want to come over to your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, open up your phone and then navigate to the settings. Scroll all the way down until you find the mobile network or cellular option at the bottom over here, and you're going to see the setup cellular. If you already have a physical SIM on this device, all you just have to do is to scroll all the way down and then tap on the add eSIM option. So for me, I'll just select on the setup cellular over here, give it a couple of seconds, and now you want to tap on the others option at the bottom, then select on the transfer from nearby iPhone. Now automatically you're going to get this pop-up on your old iPhone, and you want to just tap on the continue button over here. Now go ahead and enter the code on your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max inside of your old iPhone, and automatically once you enter it, the transfer process will begin. Confirm the eSIM number that is being transferred by tapping on it, and then just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. But keep in mind that not every carrier or network provider currently supports the transfer of eSIM. Like mine over here does not support the transfer of eSIM, and that is why I am getting this error message. If you're getting an error message like this one, or eSIM transfer not supported, what you would have to do is to first of all remove the eSIM from your old iPhone. So go back to the home of your old iPhone, and then you want to navigate to the settings over here, select on the mobile services or cellular option. Now you can literally see my eSIM over here. Go ahead and select that and then scroll all the way down, and you're going to see the delete eSIM option. Now before you delete your eSIM, make sure you already have your eSIM QR code which you have gotten from your network provider that looks just like this. Your carrier or network provider would either give you an eSIM QR code or an activation code, whichever one. Make sure you already have this, and then you want to go ahead and delete the eSIM from your old iPhone just like so. Tap on delete, and once it is deleted, you want to come back to your new iPhone 17 Pro, exit from over here and then open up your setting this time. Go over to cellular and then tap on setup cellular or add eSIM. Finally, you want to select on the scan QR code option over here and then proceed to get your eSIM QR code that was given to you by your network provider. Go ahead and scan it just like so. You can now activate your eSIM on your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. So tap on the continue button over here. Select your type of plan. In my case, I will select this one, then tap on continue. For me, I will just select on the not now option, and now the eSIM has been activated on my iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.